Alright, we're here in Jackson working on gutters. So the tenant mentioned that the city pointed out that this eaves was kind of sagging over here. I put in an eave screw and kind of pulled it up a little bit in the center there. Keep it out of the crosshairs of an inspector, but my recommendation is somebody to take the eaves down, and the soffit needs to be, the aluminum that's covering the soffit needs to be reattached. It's kind of all slipped down underneath the drip edge there. There's kind of a gap, and that'll lead to future rot. And that's unfortunately beyond the scope of my work. Oh yeah, here I wanted to point out is the area of concern on the roof. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Right after that roof vent, looks like the sheathing underneath kind of dips down. So that was the thing that really stood out to me about the roof on this section. I'm not sure if that's where the leak's coming from, but that I'm highly suspicious of that. Looks like the sheathing delaminated maybe. So we got all the gutters cleaned out. So I got most of the material off the roof that would slide down into the gutter later. So these two are done right here. This is I gotta work on that more. I'm going over to the other side and get this other end of the house next. So this is growing in oh, it's a maple. It was growing in the gutter on the one side. Yeah, it looks like we got some wild grapes growing in this gutter over here. So I'm gonna cut those vines back too, so it'll take it a while for it to grow back up there again. I'm sure it will though. Alright, we have gutter guards on this side. So this side's good. I'm going to check out that over there. But these two are clear. Here's all the organic material that was in your gutters. Right here. There's a big pile of it right by the downspout. So that's running. One thing I noticed, this door doesn't latch. So and that might be one reason the wind caught it and blew it open and ripped the jamb like it did. I put those in with those are 3.5-inch deck nails on that. I don't think that will come out. Wanted to go into the jamb pretty deep. They don't latch, and then the wind catches them and blows them. I had it happen at one of my properties too.